I should tell you something. I know we have a bunch of guitar players and musicians here. I think most everybody in the room plays.
Guitar players and.
But anyway, if you'll notice, it was in the key of C. You'll notice there was a lot of chords. There's a C chord, there's an E chord, we have an F, and we have an A, G, and I even had a D chord in the bridge. But they were all major. Did anybody pick up the number? And I will tell you, I'll explain now what happened and why it came out that way rather than the traditional diatonic. That's because when Billy C. and the Commander wrote this, Billy C. is from Alabama and Detroit, which is a diabolical combination. And he felt that, he and the Commander felt in those days that the use of a minor chord in a song would be a sign of weakness in a man. There you have it. Now you learn something every day. Where are we next? Ethanol, Cannabis, Benzodrine, Bennies, here we go.
Might go tomorrow.
1, 2, 1.
Here I sit, all alone with a broken heart. Took 3 bands, set my truck on start. Well, I hauled my rig, San Jose. I wanna be in Cincinnati, but I'm parking for my drum out there. Can't waste no time in the HopMonk grill. Well, I jump in the Jimmy and I'm feeling into my bed. Here I sit, a broken heart. Well, I took 3 minutes, said my truck won't start. Driving a big rig, Buffalo Bruce. She's waiting for me, gonna be late. Well, it'll be about noon before I'm on my way. Here I sit,